Thanks to Bahamas customers for choosing our EA960F3 outdoor LED billboard. EA960F3 series is a new generation of fixed outdoor LED billboard. With aluminum cabinet, protection level up to IP65. LED modules use a unique PCB design to significantly reduce power consumption. EA960F3 LED screen is more energy efficient than traditional outdoor screens, helping you save a lot of electricity bills. EA960F3 outdoor billboard adopts front and back dual maintenance mode design, saving your maintenance cost, convenient installation, and space saving. The LED light panel and power box can be easily and quickly assembled and disassembled. With its high brightness and high refresh rate, the EA960F3 LED display provides users with more realistic and vivid visual effects in commercial display applications. EA960F3 LED screen is suitable for a variety of application scenarios, such as commercial plazas, event venues, stage performances, and commercial street advertisements, and can meet various commercial display needs.